Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be starting the interior of the FJ Cruiser. So I'm going to be removing all of the silver on the door handles and on the steering wheel. Not so sure on the dash yet. I'm going to wait and see what my wife wants, if she wants that gone or not. But yeah, so I'm actually going to paint the handles and the steering wheel. I'll show you, there's a clip where I can show you where the steering wheel is just gnarly, so I'll be able to cover that up hopefully and change it. And then also too, even more importantly, we have interior seat vinyl coming, so I'm actually going to be fully wrapping the seats as well, both the front two seats and the back, the rear row as well. So again, really just trying to kind of upgrade the interior, although it is not bad at all. This is the passenger seat. There's a hole there, like how I covered that up. You know, I just put a little black black marker there so you couldn't see the padding underneath. But yeah, and then the driver's seat has got a little bit of scuffs, and just some people getting in and out over the past 13 years with it. So I'm going to be fully wrapping it, literally both the front and back sides of the seats. So it's pretty badass. So let me start with the door handles first, and then we'll go after the seats, which might take a while, but yeah, it should, like I said, really upgrade the interior. Really just kind of clean everything up. So with all the miles that are on it, or just the fact that it's 12-13 years old, it has gotten beaten up. So I'm going to be wrapping, I know I could just take these off and paint them, but I'm actually going to be wrapping them with carbon fiber. So I'm going to wrap both sides there, and then I'm going to look into, because this is all beat up as well, wrapping this, and then and possibly the silver pieces in the dash as well too. I'll see. Again, it's my wife's car, so I'll see what she wants, if she is interested in me doing that, and this as well too. Just getting rid of all silver if possible, if I'm allowed. But I will most certainly be doing this, and then, like I said, waiting for the seat covers. So let's start attacking this. Alright guys, so here is the door handle. As you can see, it is black. It was silver, and as you know, the driver's side one is pretty beat up. I actually might order a black handle for the driver's side, because it really just is messed up from whoever had it before us. Really kind of messed it up. So let me bring you over there. So I sanded the hell out of it, and really did my best, but I am just not too happy with it. I don't know if you can tell on the camera or not, but if I move different angles, I mean, you can see that it's just not a smooth surface in general. It's just like, it was just a mess, is the bottom line. So you guys saw the clip of what it started at. To be perfectly honest with you, we may just leave it like that. It's just kind of sleek, you don't even really notice it. And then the steering wheel, which you guys saw, which was a complete mess. So we just kind of blacked that out. But now that looks nicer than the steering wheel itself. So we'll figure out something for that as well too. But yeah, so far that's where I'm at. It may change very soon, actually. Like, I'm gonna go online right now and see what I can do, because I'm not really too satisfied with it. But let's jump into the actual seats. I'd rather spend a lot more time on that. All right, so the interior for the FJ is finally here. It's pretty much the last piece that we're going to be doing for the interior, for now at least. I want to change out the head unit. My wife says she likes it. So, but we are wrapping the seats because there were a ton of, they're just beat up, right? 150,000 miles. These things get beat up. Seats are disgusting right now because I am sweating while trying to put these on. So I'm going to clean them up, but I did want to show you. So we do have the normal cloth seats. The back seats actually don't look bad. but I know I won't be able to get away with just wrapping the front. But the front were a little bit beat up. But these are actually amazing. They have the perfect cutouts for the armrest. There is an armrest pad that goes on here as well too, which is really nice. Actually, I know the driver's side, and you can kind of see how beat up the driver's side is. But these are amazing. They get pushed through the other side to the back of the seat and gets pulled and wrapped around, and they fit great. I've been tugging on them, pull little strings to make them nice and tight around the seams here. But yeah, really great. They also come with headrest wraps as well too. Not that we need them, but might as well use it and preserve you know, the stock ones. But these are great. I do not remember the brand because we ordered them like 2 months ago, but my wife does. So I will get the name from Carly, and I'll put it in the description below. And then also too, so we have everything on the door handles, or door panels, all blacked out. And then the steering wheel I have blacked out, except for that piece. I don't know why or how I forgot or just didn't see it. But I'm gonna have to just do that little piece right there. She said to leave the dash. I will listen to her for now. One day it'll be all black and she probably won't even notice. So, but just want to let you know these things are going well. I'll show you when I get the back seat done and when I finish the armrests and headrests and all that stuff. But pretty badass product. All right, guys. So my GoPro decided to lose the audio from here on out, but as you can see, it is truly a perfect fit. It has all cutouts, all headrests, all armrests. You know, it literally fits the seats perfect, and it comes with the ability to, you know, tighten them down into, you know, exactly how you want them sitting. So really awesome. The brand is Moltke. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but my wife Carly ordered them off of Amazon. It is Muchkey, and it literally is just, she typed in Toyota FJ Cruiser 2007 through 2009 5-seat black. So really as simple as that. I did this about a month ago. Seats are holding up great. They actually look better than they do in this video. They look super shiny here. They've kind of just like fit or formed to the seats a little bit better and just doesn't look so fake, I guess you could say. Armrests are a little bit of a pain because it's just a really tight fit, but it really changes the interior. I don't know if you can tell that much in this video, but in person it just looks so much better. When you open the doors to get in, it actually, you're like, oh wow, you know, it's not as rugged, so to speak, as I thought. If it was up to me, I mean, I would just put holes in the seat regardless, but it is Carly's daily driver, and she wants it to look nice on the inside. So car is really coming along. It looks super badass, interior and exterior. Please like, please subscribe. I really appreciate all the help.